morning, project team. Wasal Tower. Facade still not in progress. I don't know, but work in progress. I think they stripped back the facade. These are the old projects. This is Burj Vista. Aywa. Do you know this project? Yeah, this tall project with 2 tower cranes on the top. Comment, please. That's Vida Mall Residences. That's the project. We will pass in front of Burj Khalifa to see this development here. Comment on our comment section if you know this project, guys. And you see these projects now, maybe months before, they are the floor levels are still on the low. Now they are getting taller, these buildings. This is Burj Crown. We did the U-turn, okay, just to show you the development here. This is Up 1, Up 2. These two towers here. These two guys here. Yeah. These two towers are Up 1 and Up 2. And that is Burj Crown. I don't know beside the Burj Crown what is the name. You can comment on that. Again, this is Up 1, Up 2. And this is Burj Crown. We'll take a left turn here. In front of Burj Crown, you see we have a taller buildings here. You can comment what are these taller buildings near the opera, near the Grand Opera. Yeah. This building, this building, this building. This one is Opera Grand. Yeah, it's just finished. But these guys, you can comment. And this is Burj Crown. And besides Burj Crown, you can comment what is the name of this building or project. Okay, let's go. Let's go left turn now. And this is again Burj Crown. That's Business Bay. Again at the back of Burj Crown area. Yeah, these are the buildings. Then we need to go to Dubai Hills area. So this is my short way. Yeah, we'll cross the Business Bay. Okay, project team, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on the channel. It will be a big help for me. And comment and like. And if you have some requests, please reach me through emails or WhatsApp. You can find it on the description of this video. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.